Good morning students and welcome to the class today. Today we will start with chapter 3, which is advanced features of Excel. In this particular chapter we'll discuss about components of chart, types of chart, creating a chart in Excel, sorting data and filtering. Okay, so let's start. Excel is not meant for creating worksheet and making calculations only. Sorting the data in a meaningful manner, filtering it according to your requirements, conditional formatting, and drawing charts are the powerful features Excel offers to analyze data. When you sort the information in a worksheet, you can see the data the way you want and find the values quickly. Sorting data. MS Excel rearranges the data in ascending or descending order on the basis of the contents of a particular column. That is called sorting. You can sort a table in alphabetical order of names. You may want to sort marks in descending order to analyze the merit of student. Let us make a worksheet and store names and total marks obtained by students in a final examination. Notice the table is made according to the roll number. Now, want to sort this according to the column names in alphabetical order. To sort the data, follow these steps. Select the data range that you want to select. Click on Data tab in the main menu. Select on the Sort option in Sort and Filter queue. The Sort dialog box will appear. Click on Sort by drop-down list triangle. It displays all the fields from the range. Select the fields on which you want to sort the data. In the worksheet, the names field is to be selected. Click on Order drop-down list arrow. Select A to Z to sort in alphabetical order. Click on OK. Excel sorts the data and displays the result. Notice the change in the worksheet. The names are sorted in alphabetical order, A to Z, and all the other column values are shifted and rearranged accordingly. Names can be shifted in descending order or ascending order. In the same way, you can sort the data according to any numeric column. Filtering data. The filter feature is an easy and quick way to find a specific set of data in a data range. Data is filtered through some specified conditions, and Excel displays it only those rows that fulfill the condition. It temporarily hides the rest of the data in the range. Filtering does not rearrange the data. Now moving towards chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship, and the trends among the values in a range. Charts provide a more accurate analysis of information. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called Datasheet. Charts is updated automatically with the change in data. Components of a chart. The various components of a chart are shown in the given figure. Chart area. The chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. Category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. Value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Data series. Data series are the bars, slice, or other elements that represents the data values. Axis style. These are the headings given to x-axis and y-axis. Plot area. The plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Legend. It depicts the color, patterns and symbols assigned to a data series. Chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. Grid line. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. Commonly used chart types. Different types of charts are available in Excel. Some of the most commonly used charts are column chart. A column chart is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among the different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. Bar chart. This chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars, that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparison amongst the individual item. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart. This chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its value on the x and y axis. A line chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time. Pie chart. This chart displays data in the form of circle that makes up a data series to the sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Creating a chart. It is quite simple to create a chart in Excel. Follow these steps to create a chart. Create a new worksheet with the data as shown in figure. Select the range, including column title and rows label to be displayed in the chart. Click on the Insert tab and go to the chart group. Select the desired chart category, for example, column, and select the suitable chart subtype, for example, clustered column, from the displayed choice. The chart appears on the worksheet. The three tabs named Design, Layout and Format appears under the Chart Tools category on the ribbon. These tabs contain options for editing and formatting the charts. Select the desired layout from the chart layout group on the Design tab and observe the changes. You can also click the More drop-down arrow in the chart layout group to see all the available layout. Go to the chart style group. Click on the More button to view all styles and click on the desired style that you want to use. Observe the change. All the title, data label, legend, details mentioned in the selected data range will be displayed in the chart. If the selected range has no details, about title, label, etc., we can insert these in the chart by going to Layout tab and click on the Desired button. To change the data range of your chart, right click on the chart and click the selected data. The selected data source dialog box appears. Click OK after making the desired changes. With this, we have finished with the topics. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Be at home and stay safe.